All right, welcome back, everybody. Anybody that's new here, thanks for joining me today. So I gotta make this quick, but if you guys can see behind me, there's some open area, and then I got woods here. I would have documented the trip, but I don't need anybody following me here. This is probably not a good idea, but hopefully it turns out to be a really good idea. Needless to say, I'm going to go through these woods. There happens to be a little trail right in here still. It's a deer trail. And on the other side of those woods is a pond that I used to fish like forever ago. And I've been watching Pig Patrol with Josh. Josh, if you're seeing this, thanks for the inspiration. I've just been debating, but you got out and you just kind of went after some new places that you haven't been like to. And this isn't a new place, but I haven't been here in like 10 years. So it's gonna be really cool if I brought two different rods with me. I have they're both my Apex rods from Tuned Up Customs, but one is my panfish rod and one is my new bass fishing setup, because I may or may not have put some big bluegills in here a long time ago. And that might be a big surprise later on. I might do two videos. I might just do one where I'm chasing all the bluegills in here, and then probably gonna do the first one because it's early in the morning still. The sun's just rising, as you can see. And I'm gonna try and get some of those bass. Hopefully nobody's been here in those 10 years and there's some freak bass. I'll be so excited. All right, let's get through these woods. Okay, so like I said, I'm bringing these two along. I got the Corrado DC with the Apex. I'm gonna throw a frog right away, and then I just have a slip outer set up and some bluegill plastics for my Apex panfish rod. So this is the first part of the journey. So got to go through all this high grass, and hopefully I don't get any ticks today because I didn't put any tick spray on. I wasn't thinking. I just wanted to get out here. So let's go through these trees here. Oh, and by the way, I packed like, I don't know, 40 or 50 pounds onto my back because I have all my water and stuff with me. And this is not a quick walk. This was probably a mile and a half back here. That's all I'm going to say. I do remember there were thorn bushes everywhere. Oh, thorn trees. Never mind. These trees, all of these trees have thorns on them. We've made it. This almost looks like corn is growing back here now. Oh, it looks so different now, but looks like the water's up, which is good. Okay, so I don't know how hard this is going to be to fish. I don't know if there's a bunch of fish here or not. Also, I don't know if there might be somebody duck hunting on the other pond. We'll find out. But I'm going to start with a frog this morning, see if there's any big bass out here. Okay, time to go for a walk. That one. I was actually just looking down. Oh, he got off. Oh. I was just looking down to see if I had a tick crawling up my leg. I missed it. That was a good hit. Whoo, good morning. I got a fish? No. I had a fish. That one I got. I don't know if he came back for it or what. Come here. Frog eater. Not a giant, but that, you know what that means? It means they're breeding in here. That's good. Wanted that frog, that's for sure. Okay, I don't want to get too close to the water. I don't want to blow this, but first frog fish of the day. That guy actually, like, I think he followed it from the other side of the thing because he kind of hit it and I set the hook and it got away, but I mean, that guy flew across the whole pond to get the frog, so hopefully they're all biting like that here today. I'd like to have gotten that bigger one. That was definitely a bigger take, but I'll take that one for now. Kind of seemed like he liked it, not moving it so frog-like. Or, like, normally you're twitching and walking frogs or just doing a pop every once in a while, and I, like, splashed the surface real hard once with it, and then I started reeling it. Just kind of did that, and I think it made it look like a frog injured or trying to get away, so he capitalized on it. Jesus. Yep. That's what they want. Woo! Woo! Small heart attack. That was a bigger fish too. He was right there by that weed mat. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh yeah. So the aggressive frog pop is the name of the game today. What I'm kind of mimicking is a feeding frog, which early morning makes sense. Because the frog will kind of jump out of the water like that for bugs. I don't know if I'm going to get another shot at any of these ones over here. I think I've hooked 2 of them. Before I step out into the open here, I'm going to use the shade to my advantage. Try and stealthily fish this spot. Well, I was wrong. Definitely looks like there's a bunch of people down here fishing. Another monster hit it right in front of me, and I couldn't get the hooks buried. Okay, let's see if we can calm down, wait a second, and then set the hook. Oh, I don't think I could have got a better hook set. Apparently the spur frog is not the juice. I mean, it's got good hooks on it though. Oh, alright. Well, I think I missed like 5 fish so far and I got one. Whatever, there's still fish down here and that's a good thing. That was almost an impossible hook set. I don't know why I even tried. Because you gotta try, right? You know. I think I actually hooked that one. And it feels like a better fish. Yep, short, fat guy. There we go. A little muddy here. Nice little pig. Not bad for a little pond guy. I really want to do like an awesome release, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. So, just going to toss this guy right here. Okay, that's one guy. There's more pond to fish, but so these ponds were never like this. This is all water all the way up into the weeds and stuff. So they're pretty high, which is fine because it's good for the fish. But yeah, I don't know. I might getting these wet. We'll see. Good thing is the boot's waterproof, but obviously my socks are, and we'll see how things go. I'm gonna try and get some more from this little dry spot first before I get all wet. Definitely don't want to hook a fish in the other pond. One just missed it. It's weird fishing a frog in super windy conditions. Well, that's all the way on the other side. And he hit it twice, and I missed him twice. I kind of figured that was going to be a bad thing. I need to get a longer rod butt. This thing is digging into my side when I try to set the hook at distance. Whew. That was kind of cool, but sucked at the same time. Let's see if we can get him to come back. Maybe hit it a little closer so I can actually get a hook set. There we go. I think I actually got that one. It feels like a big one. He sharked it. He just came up and sucked it down. Not the same size as that other guy. I mean, they're healthy fish. I mean, this is cool. I'm pretty sure I put all of these in here that are alive right now. One last good sunny look. Yep, we're doing it. Sorry, I have to throw them back like that because right here is water, but it's like rock and gravel out to there. So they're getting back just fine, and apparently they're doing good in here. This is freaking awesome. I didn't even see this guy hit. Let's ski this little guy in real quick here. And there's another generation of fish. Bet you won't bite a frog again though. We've got like 3 generations so far. Sick. Yeah, I didn't feel like I bite. He was just running with it. Just sucked it under and ran. That was kind of cool. That was all the way on the other side of this thing. Alright, let's see what else is over there. Got another one. This one feels good too. It seems like they're piled up in that far corner. Of course, I gotta frickin' get them all the way on the other side of the pond. Another 13, 14 incher. This one's a little skinnier, but still doing okay. Ooh, that was a little rough. Other side. I missed one because he jumped clear out of the water with it. That looked like a bigger one too. Oh, of course. Always on the opposite side as you. That dude was like sitting underneath that mat waiting for a frog to jump on it. Alright, let's see if we can get him. I messed that one up big time. He gave me 2 chances. Well, I can't say they're not giving me a chance. This is all me. Another one just sucked it under. I just felt him. Right by the other side again. Yep. I actually hooked that thing. I set the hook like behind my back. Feels like another good one. A bit smaller than the other one. I wonder if that's 4-year classes or if there's just some of them are growing bigger. Yeah, not bad, guy. Gotta go up though. I just want to find one bigger one now. I'll be a happy person. I wonder if all the frog eaters moved over into the shade. Is this the only place they are over there in the back corner away from me? At the farthest reach of my cast. There we go. That feels like another good one. Oh, there's like 12, 13s. A lot of these guys in here. Ow. That hurt. Good, healthy, average size. I just wonder if there's any monsters or if this is the only size class that's alive in here right now. The big one. How many fish is that? Someone comment below right now at this point in the video. Comment the number, like time tag, and then number of fish. So time tag, number of fish. I lost count. Well, there's my first backlash. Still know how to get backlashes out, unfortunately. The Corrado GT is not backlash proof. Okay, time to move. Let's see where we can go here. Hey, lucky for me, these are mostly waterproof. So I'm going to try and stand in this little bit of highland here. It looks like this was actually part of the pond for a while, because there's like banks that are beaten with water. So this must have been like 2 feet higher or something like that. So I'm going to try and cast this weed line right here, and then try and bring him up over the top of those weeds. Otherwise I'm going to have to get wet. Decisions were made. Okay, so they're in the slop. The biggest one of the day. Go figure. About 14, 15 inches. Healthy. Alright, now to get them back to the actual water, I have to throw them way over there. Made it. Someone is going to have to tally all these fish up, because this is an awesome day. And normally I would just cut it and make another video, but you guys are just going to watch me have fun today. This is like amazing that I can come out here and catch all these fish when a plan comes together. Okay, so let's see if we can get some more out of this slop right here. I thought it was too thick, so I thought I had to fish in front of it, but apparently they're coming right up through it, which is cool. So let's do that again. I love it when they come out of the, out of nowhere and attack it. That's part of the surprise. Top water is one of my favorite things to do. I know you guys have to like this, so comment below if you enjoy these top water videos. Remember to hit the thumbs up, man. You guys got to help out here. The channel will only grow if you guys smash that thumbs up button. You know, if you like it, like it. That's simple. All right, let's get a couple more. That looks like a better one. Let's see if we can get him out of the weeds though. Hey, up. There's a better one. At least more colorful. Vicious strikes. That's all I care about. These guys are not, when they commit, they commit. I could literally let this guy go at my feet, but I'm going to make sure he gets back to like an actual pond. I'm actually going to put him up here. I got one way on the other side of that pad, and then it dove into the weeds and got off. There were two of them. He smacked the crap out of that. I got a little guy way out there. Gonna have to ski him in. Too much stuff for you to get stuck in. Oh, you're a skinny one, huh? Explains why you went flying after the frog. Stay over here, there's more real life frogs. That was another one of those monsters. Oh. See if I can get his attention again. Yeah, looks like he's still there. Got that one off. It's another little guy. But it still counts as a fish. That one, let's see if we can get him out of the weeds. Oh, he came off right there. That was a decent one. And I'm trying to think if maybe I should probably go. I'm not sure. You guys comment below if you would stay, because I feel like with the cold front coming through, we have a high possibility of tornadoes, but I don't know. I've almost fished the whole pond, so I kind of want to do that first.
see if we can get him in. Ski, come here. I touched him. It counts. Okay, let's see if we can speed run this. I'm going to give it like 20-30 more minutes. I don't want to get caught in a tornado out here. Woo-hoo! Missed that one and it came all the way back. Okay, switched frogs up here because I apparently had a bad knot or something because I just yeeted my frog. I think it's either all the way behind me or made it all the way to the other side. I was trying to cast really hard, but yeah, it just came off. So we're not going to talk about it. I'm just going to throw this frog for a little bit. And that's it. There's no way I'm getting that guy out of there. He ate the big frog. He's covered in weeds right now. He's still in there? Yep. Well, that might be the biggest one of the day. Come here. I don't know, might be a tie for the biggest one. He ate the bigger frog, so happy with that. I'm really surprised I was able to winch that thing out of there. That makes me happy. I should have been throwing this frog all day. I can cast to the other side like it's nothing. There's almost no way I was going to get that hook set at the end of my cast. Somehow I got hooks in that thing. And I got him over the grass. Oh, he got off. This is not a game of numbers when they're tucked behind stuff. I'm a glutton for punishment. Can I get him out? Come on. Yeah, he's still on there. Yeah, high gear to get him over here. Healthy looking fish, it's not big. Oh, all the way back there. It's like my workout for the day is getting the fish out of the weeds. That guy just sucked it down. I didn't really get a hook set in him, so I don't know. He's little. And yet another fish. That's Topwater days are always fun when they're full of action. I think this guy's got a bluegill on his stomach. That's good. Oh, it came off. That was a better one. Dang it. All the good ones flop themselves off pretty quickly. Especially when you're setting the hook across the whole pond. That was kind of cool though. We came back for it, which is exactly what I like to see. I kind of knew that was going to happen. He hit it as I was popping it, so like I didn't get a chance to set the hook on him. I basically pulled it out of his mouth. Let's see if he goes again. He definitely tried. Getting jumpy now. Nerves are shot. Gotta wait a second, then set the hook. There we go. Come on, get out of there. That time I waited. Oh, that is the biggest one today. There we go. A little muddy frog eater. Now that's a healthy fish. Still about a 15, maybe 16 incher. Thanks, buddy. Let him go right here in the stream that's going in. Got that little guy. Squeaker, come here. Okay, I have to try this spot with the big frog now. That was a good hit. They're a 14 incher. Well, maybe a 13 to 12.
Alright guys, gonna call it here. I did get a couple of decent ones today. Probably, I don't know, half dozen 15 inches. For a pond that's in the middle of nowhere, I think it's doing pretty good. Like I said before, comment below if you guys want me to try and get back here. It's gonna be really hard to, but like now that I think about it, but to get back here to go ice fishing. I'll give it a try, see what's all in here. Might have a better understanding of it too. I've kind of always wanted to ice fish it, but I've never done it. So comment below if you guys want to see that. But I'm gonna get walking. I have a long walk back to my vehicle, and I don't think it's gonna storm anymore, but I think the bite's completely shut off. So I think I caught everything that was gonna bite topwater today. If you guys can, comment below how many I caught. I'm sure I could do it when I'm editing it, but I'd rather see what you guys come up with for numbers. What I caught, not what I missed. And then somebody put a total of like, how many total fish did you see me set the hook on? Because I missed a bunch of them. So comment below that, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this pond video. This is my old pond. I used to come down here when I was younger, and it's still kicking somehow. I don't know how, but it is. But like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Obviously, if you're not new here, you know what's up. But if you are new, can you please just remember to